my channel Div's Homes. Today in today's video I'm going to share a review about a foundation. It's a kind of a very old foundation. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the foundation which I'm going to talk about is the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. This is how the packaging looks, and this is the glass bottle with this plastic cap, and it is a very thick consistent product. It doesn't just flow off, it's kind of like a mousse kind of texture. And I'm in the shade Natural Coral. I cannot say that I'm in the shade Natural Coral because this is the last shade from the four shade range. So they have pearl, I think shell and ivory, and ivory is the first one, I believe. That's for the fairest people. Ivory, and then it's pearl, shell, and then coral. This is the last one. It has a orange undertone product, and it has around 27 ml of product, and it retails for around 130 or 140 if I'm not wrong. Yes, it retails for about 140, and they do have a shelf life of 2 years, and they do have a very thick consistency. It just is like a cream. It's not, it is a kind of a heavy full buildable kind of foundation. But the into the darker or the wheatish kind of skin tone, it's kind of very difficult to blend this product into your skin, because one thing is that it is kind of heavy, the other thing is that it is like way too lighter to your skin. So I have few techniques that you can follow to use the same product. If it since it is affordable, it is easily available, and you don't have too many number of shades to get confused. If you're on the darker to mine, or of my shade, then you can surely go and try this product. By now almost all of us would have tried this product, but we need some techniques to blend this into our skin. So I'm going to tell you guys what are the techniques that I was following, and I'm still following if I'm using this product. If I want a very light sheet coverage, yet it should not really look ghosty, pasty, or whatever, because that is not the way we have to blend in a foundation. You have to apply a foundation that it shouldn't be visible. You are not supposed to look fairer. You are supposed to cover your blemishes, and you're going to stay of the same skin tone of whatever you are. So foundation does not make someone look fairer. Instead, it does a job that has to be done, like covering your blemishes and giving that a nice little sheen. And maybe if you want a matte effect, maybe two other products you have to purchase if you fall into a dark skin tone is that you need a darkening drops, or very dark kind of foundation, so that you can manage this kind of lighter foundations. It is a one-time investment. I recently spoke about a product from Essence. It is a Essence darkening drops, which another product which dark skin people need is the orange corrector, or the orange correcting drops, or something like that. Actually I got one from Revolution Pro, and I have LA Color Conceal Correct orange shade. These two are used to conceal the hyperpigmented areas around the mouth and around your eyes, because dark skin people tend to have pigmentations around your nose and mouth a little more than the lighter skin tone people. So to hide that kind of pigmentation, which is kind of really dark, we need to balance the skin tone. So if you give that orange corrector around your mouth and nose, you can balance the face tone to a particular shade, and you can look really brighter, and the pigmentation can really not appear. I want to share this products with you guys so that you can, if you this is kind of a affordable product, not very expensive, so you can try this out. This is the Essence darkening makeup drops mixed to match your perfect shade. This is how the packaging looks. I have already spoke in my one brand tutorial of Essence. This can be used as concealer, this can be used as foundation, and whatever you want. The consistency is really good. It is nice. It is not very runny, though it is not very creamy, but it has a nice texture. They have 15 ml of product, and they do retail for around something like 200 to 250 bucks. It is in the affordable side. You can try this out. So this is something which can darken or which can make your see this, it looks way too dark, and you can use this as mixing up product for your lighter foundations. And the next product is, I would surely recommend it you buy options. So first one is my LA Color Pro Conceal Color Correcting in the shade orange. So this one has around 8 grams of product, and it is a bit on the expensive side, but the consistency is amazing. You don't really feel like you're wearing something extra on your skin. This is super good. This is my first preference if you are going to invest something on a good product on your skin, and then this is a surely good to go. So they have a nice brush in here, and you can just mix up to your foundation or whatever you want. So this is one of the best orange corrector I do have. And the next one is the Revolution Pro Foundation Mixer in the shade orange. This is how the packaging looks. This is a glass packaging, and it comes kind of this dropper thing, and then it's little on the runnier side, as you can see. You have to use a very 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 little amount. So whenever I have problems, like when I have very cool toned foundations, I don't really like that. It becomes really muddy. At the same time, too very orange or yellow tone foundation doesn't look good on me, so I have to do something about it. So then I go for this orange drops to correct that foundation. And this is from the Revolution Pro. It has 18 ml of product. I'm not sure about the product's price. I will surely mention it in the description box below. You can check this out. The next one is I didn't really expect it to look come as so small. This is from the Steak Wiki Hide My Hickey Concealer Minis, and this is how the packaging looks. And this is how the packaging looks. So this is product. So this is again an orange corrector. You can use this as an orange corrector. So if you want to try out, and if you want to see how it looks, or how you can really if you're new to concealing and color correcting, then surely you can go give this a try and check out. Then maybe you can invest in products which are a little more expensive than this. So these are the 3 orange corrector suggestions I have got for you. So when you mix up all these 3 products and a little bit of moisturizer, the consistency just comes out to a nice creamy foundation consistency, and then apply it on your face and check the miracle happens. This is the product. This is how it looks. You can see the skin tone and the colors, the foundation color. I'll just swatch this next to this and show you how light it looks on my skin. So how are we going to work with this? It already has an orange undertone. I'll just swatch this and show you on my skin. So you can see that it may look really okay. So this is how it looks. I didn't think we can work this out. So on one side I'm going to use the brush, and the other side I'm going to use the sponge. So let's start with this side. Okay, so as you saw, when I used it, just the foundation, it was looking very ghosty. So I'm going to mix a little bit of darkening drops, orange corrector, moisturizer, and the foundation.
You can just see the effect. It just is looking like my skin tone. You cannot even see the foundation that I am actually using it on the skin. So it is exactly of my skin tone. So this is how you are supposed to correct the foundation and use it. So it gives a very natural look as if you have not applied any kind of foundation. So I'm blending it with a brush. You can see it is a kind of sheet coverage, but at the same time it is looking, the finish is absolutely awesome. It is so light, it is so very well blended into my skin. Since the foundation is thick, I have used a little bit of moisturizer. It gives that perfect effect. So this is how you're going to use this foundation on your skin if you are on the darker skin tone.
Okay, that's it about the product. I hope you must have liked the review on this Lakme, liquid perfecting foundation in the shade natural coral. So until next time, Azibah signing off. Tada, bye bye.